Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, we are going to create a bouncy text effect in After Effects. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So we'll start by creating a new composition. So now we are going to add a text. So let us add text here, bouncy text. We can align the text to the center of the screen. And now the next step is to go inside our text layer, click on the animate button and select position. So there you go. So now let us rename the animator to position 1 because we are going to add 2 more positions here. So totally we are going to have 3 positions. So now the first position will change the position value to -300. All right. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go inside the range selector and make sure our indicator is at the beginning of the timeline and change the offset value from 0 to -100%. Now we'll add a keyframe here. Okay. Now move the indicator 1 second forward. So we'll take this 1 second forward and then we will change this value from -100 to +100%. Now the next step is to go inside the advanced menu and we will change the shape size from square to ramp down, and then we'll change the ease high from 0% to 100%. Okay, so now we are done with the position 1. Now let us duplicate the animator by pressing Ctrl D. So this is our second position. So now we are going to change the position value from -300 to +150. Okay. Let us go inside the range selector. We are going to keep the offset as it is and we'll go inside advanced. We'll keep the shape as it is and change the ease high from 100% to 50%, ease low to 50%. So there we go. So now we are done with our position 2. So now the third step is to add or duplicate the position 2 by pressing Ctrl D. So let us change the value of position from 150 to -40. Okay. So now we are done with this. We are going to leave all these properties as it is. So we're not going to change anything here. So this is the effect right now. Now what we are going to do is we are going to click or select our text layer and press U so that it will bring out all our keyframes, and then we will drag our keyframes of position 2 to the 5th frame. Okay, so we'll drag it here. Make sure both the keyframes are selected and then you drag it to the 5th frame. Do the same thing for the 3rd position. Bring the indicator to the 8th frame and then drag the keyframes to the 8th frame. Okay. So now we are basically done with our animation. Now what we are going to do, next step is to add motion blur to our text layer. So to do that, we will be selecting this particular box. So now we have added motion blur to our text layer. So here we go. So you can see there is a motion blur when the animation is happening. So now the last step is to add opacity. So we'll go inside our text layer, click on the animate and add opacity. I'll change the name of the animator to opacity. And then make sure you are at the beginning of the timeline, this indicator, and then click on the stopwatch to add a keyframe. Change the opacity value from 100% to 0. Move the indicator over to the 15th frame and then increase the opacity to 100%. So there you go. We are done with our animation. So what we can do is we can center the text by aligning it to the center of the screen. So now our text is aligned to the center. So now let me play this out for you. So there we go. So now you can add a solid background to this. So light blue color is perfect for this background. So I'll just bring this down, and there you go. This is your final animation. So guys, hope you liked this video. If you did like the video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, have a good day.